Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Health Talk. I am your host, Dr. Niru Prasad, with my background in pediatrics and emergency medicine, affiliated with Henry Ford Health System, St. Joe, Oakland, and Beaumont. The theme of our health talk today is back to college safety for our freshmen entering the colleges. But previously, I have done lot of talk about the back to school safety for the middle schoolers, the high schoolers, but now the high school graduates are ready to go to the colleges of their choices. So I made this couple of safety slides for the high schoolers for who is going to the college as a freshman. There are such moments of joy, pleasure, and excitement among our students who are going to the colleges of their choice. While there are lots of excitement, sentiment, emotions among the parents, grandparents, and the caretakers, since their child is now going to the college, separation anxiety. The separation anxiety is also as much as with the freshman who is entering the college. Next slide, please. So one of the greatest safety messages for parents to their children is a simple piece of advice that I think is great for them. For a straightforward statement, highlight the importance of safety on college campuses, such as, avoid accidents, injuries, and motivate yourself towards a good academic career. Next slide, please. So now a few guidelines to follow, and this is very general, like even for the high schoolers or middle schoolers when the school starts. A healthy eating with a proper nutritious meals. Basic immunization as well as the updated new vaccines for the freshmen, and follow the CDC recommendation of 2023. And I have given the websites for the necessary vaccines that the adults can take before the colleges start. A routine checkup by the physician is so important. I cannot emphasize more and more about it. A good physical examination, a good sports physical, because most of the kids, they are going to get involved with the sports at the college campus also. And so a good sports physical and the physicals by their primary care physician is very, very important. And this should be done before the college starts. And lastly, a sufficient sleep and a plenty of physical activities that they should be involved with. A few tips again to say, I have added a couple of safety tips to stay safe on the campus. Take control of your life. Stay motivated. Set up your goals in life and motivate yourself towards achieve your goals. Volunteer your services to the others in whichever way you can. You can be kind. You can be friendly with other students. Try to help them out as much as you can. Be kind and humble. Next slide, please. So there are frequent problems facing our freshmen. So what are these problems that we all are facing these days when the kids go to the college? Number one, like I mentioned before, dealing with the separation anxiety, homesickness, handling greater academic demand, sleep deprivation, negotiating a new social network in a new environment, because now they have a new sets of friends that they are going to make now at the colleges. Eating disorders, how they can manage to eat healthy, exposure to the new people, get their ideas and temptation. The three major problems on the college campuses, according to the new report from the Student Monitor and the website that I got this information are from www.kings.education. The cost of education is stress, alcohol, and drug abuse. Many campuses, they lack the racial and social class diversity, and so the affirmative action rendered are controversial. Physical and sexual violence is a major issue in the college's campus. The student service staff at the campus, usually they are good. They aim to facilitate the students towards their needs, financial support, and also towards a better academic career. And I have mentioned the website from where I have got all this information. That is www.niche.com. So common crimes, we all know every day we read on the paper, we watch on the TV, all those crimes that are happening in the college's campus include burglary, vehicle theft, sex offenses, and use of firearm. The Department of Education provides an annual statistic on the number of crimes and safety measures from their colleges every year. And this goes with whichever college you enter. The Department of Education gives an idea about all the safety measures they are providing to their students every year. Next slide, please. So following are the major crimes that can occur on college campuses: forcible sexual acts, theft, burglary, bullying, drugs, gunshot incidents, and furthermore, motor vehicle accidents and suicides. They are the leading causes of death among students. Depressions and mental health. So what are the safety guidelines? I said proper immunization. The current updated vaccination includes the following. That is, I have given the website. Follow the charts from the CDC, updated chart on immunization and vaccines from 18 years of age onward. So safety tips. Now, furthermore, when I was writing this, my manuscript, I went through a lot of websites, and very interesting, I found a lot of information in usnews.com 2023. So what are the safety tips? They have illustrated it very nicely in videos. And basically, in order to summarize it, it says, avoid walking alone in the dark, lock doors, secure your belongings, pay attention to the residence hall visitors, be aware of campus safety services, and any suspicious activity, please report it. Report it to your officials. Another safety tip: trust your gut and be true to yourself. When you are in the process of making your friends, your colleagues, you trust your gut and be true to yourself. Then you know whom to associate with. Take control of your online life. Do not share, very important, Do not share your personal information with the strangers. Be secure and follow the safety guidelines. Party smart people, know your limit, how much of alcohol or illicit drugs use. Try to avoid them. Be a good friend. Know how to support the survivors. Now, help is available 24 hours throughout the national sexual hotline at this or online.rain.org. Prevention, now very important factor, as you know, mental health. Prevention and treatment of anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, and behaviors among college students. The SAMHSA, that is Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services, this guide presents 5 evidence programs and practices that navigate any students towards prevention and treatment of mental health illnesses. These include a gatekeeper training, mindfulness-based stress reduction, acceptance and commitment therapy, as well as cognitive behavioral therapy. Next slide, please. So the college survival guidelines, furthermore, for the freshman year and beyond. Here are more safety and educational trips. College can be stressful even before the classes start. The key point is to stay calm, pick up your subjects ahead of time, balance your course list, and avoid an academic burnout. In other words, only pick up the subjects that you feel you are able to handle. Attending classes on a regular basis is the key to success. Participate in the class discussion and you will be learning more. Practice effective notes taking the strategy. Keep a close contact with the college counselors and always listen to their advice. And this will play a significant role in your good academic year. Keep a close contact with the college counselors. Next slide, please. The colleges offer a sense of independence that high schoolers do not have. High school is a different issue, and now you are in college, widespread. There are plenty of digital tools. They are designed for the student. The smartphone, apps, and tools, they can help students to limit their time to the social media and focus on the study. Stay connected through the school emails and students' portals. A major part of learning as an adult is to develop your own social platform, working closely with the people of different background and ethnicity. Listen to their advice as well. Focus on learning at the college library. College library is a very important place that any student can go learn more and more. They will make friends and they will have more and more knowledges just by going to the libraries. Next slide, please. So we are wishing all our graduating seniors and freshmen a safe, healthy life and a good academic performance. This is a tribute that I had prepared many years ago when I had a chance to give motivational lecture to the middle schoolers, to the high schoolers, and more. And this is a tribute that I'm going to read to now our college freshmen. Remember, life is full of joy and happiness. If you wake up smiling in the morning and keep a happy heart throughout the day, if you can help others by showing your concern and give them your moral support. Next slide, please. Give encouragement to someone who is lonely and in trouble. If you can set up your goals and motivations in life and aim towards achieving them with your hard and diligent work, if you are self-sufficient and treat the world with your kindness and courtesy, then only in your heart will you discover that you are the person you would like to be. And also remember, the challenges are high, the dreams are bright and new, and the world is out there waiting for you. Reach them all, our freshmen and colleges, since no goal is in life is too distant and no star is too high for you. So now, congratulations and best wishes to our college student freshmen going to the colleges. My sincere thanks to a high schooler, Maya Smith, who helped me preparing this manuscript. And I wish you all a great success in life. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank our viewers for watching me on my podcast about the high school, about the college going students, our freshmen. And until I see you all, have a wonderful, safe fall and winter. Thank you again.